So I'm here at the Ash Inn tonight, and we're here to film the fireworks for John from Monumental Fireworks. There is quite a few people here now, sitting outside having drinks. We're about an hour to go before the fireworks go off, and I suppose it will get busier and busier and busier. So there's a good atmosphere here already. It's very, very good. And I'll go down here in a minute, but if you have a look down here, we have got a fair. Like I say, they've got a good fair here. Let's go down and have a look. We've got teacups. So we're gonna get a good. They've got like buzzies, and they've got rocking boat there. So yeah, pretty good. It looks like we've got nearly 40 minutes going. We've still got a good turnout now.
Busy, isn't it?
But like I say, it's absolutely amazing here. And look at the rocking boat they've got there. That's absolutely fantastic.
Right, are you getting on?
And there's more and more people here. They've got tables for out there. Just
Pretty cool, isn't it?
pretty packed. Well, like I say, the turnout so far tonight, pretty amazing. Plenty of people having a drink, bringing the drinks and plastic cups down here, and coming to the fun fair. And it looks like there's food as well. You can get food. So like I say, it's awesomely packed here tonight. There's people eating and drinking and just having fun absolutely everywhere here. And like I say, this is the Ash Inn at Mowcop.
Right.
So like I say, now it's 6:15, so it is going dark now. There's more and more people now here at the Ash Inn. So I suppose it will get even busier yet before the firework display at 7 o'clock tonight. It doesn't seem long since we were here last year at the Ash Inn, and again now we are back again tonight. Look how busy the road is now. There's cars galore down there now. I don't know whether they're dropping people off or whether the road's blocked. I really don't know. Like I say, there's more and more people here now than ever before. It's amazing, really good. So we're now 7:30, half an hour ago before the fireworks, and we are absolutely rammed now. The car park is filling up more and more and more. It's amazing. So just a few minutes after I took the last video there, look how it's filled up now. It's absolutely rammed everywhere now. There's folk everywhere. What a turnout they've got here now. It's amazing. I don't know what the number is. I don't think I could put a number on it, but there's a lot of people here. We'll have another little update here now. We're about 16 minutes before the fireworks go off, and I think there's more people here now again. I think they just keep coming and coming and coming. So this is going to be an amazing show tonight. I think you'll all enjoy it. I bet the pub's taking some money tonight as well. Let's just have a look at the pub. There's the Ash Inn. There's quite a few people inside as well. We're now just probably just over 10 minutes to go here now. And there's more and more and more people come. And I think there's still a lot of people actually coming here. If you look, there's still quite a few cars pulling up there waiting for people to get out. Amazing. So we're up here now on the pier where only the firework people can come. We've got John there. He's just taking some pictures. I think he's going to stand up here for the actual launch, and the launch box is there. I think that's the firebox there. I've got Daryl there waiting to start his filming. The fireworks are going to go off over here, so we are just waiting for them now. I don't know exactly what time. I think it's going to be about 7:15 now when they fire. What a beautiful sky. Just take a look at that, check that out. It's amazing. The crowd update here, and look at it now. We've had to delay the fireworks for about 15 minutes because the pub's that busy. People are still getting the food and the drinks, so they would miss them. So that's why they're a little bit later. So it gives everybody a good chance then of watching it all. So like I say, Monumental fireworks tonight from Kidsgrove are doing that. John, and he's got a shop down there. Absolutely fantastic place. So if you do need any fireworks for your own displays, get yourself down there. And they've got some great staff down there which will help you and advise you. And they'll do a wonderful job here. We've got another one on Friday at Kidsgrove Athletic, and we've got Clough Hall and All Sager on Saturday. Here's Rachel. She's 6 today. And tell me what you're going to do today, Rachel.
I'm going to press this button.
The button there, what will happen when you press that button?
It will set off and it will fireworks.
So when you press that button, all the fireworks will go off, will they?
Yeah.
So that'll be absolutely amazing, won't it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good. So John's just said we're about 3 minutes away, and I reckon there's got to be a good 1,500 people here. And John's just coming down here now to the main button. And he's got the controller in his hand. So Rachel's there now, and she's getting ready to press the button.
Play the music.
Yes. I can't reach.
Wait, no. Rachel. Together, Rachel, you're pressing together. Go.
So there we go, there's the fireworks.
Right, where your phone off for mobility? Yes, yes, quick. This isn't going to wait now. Is it plugged in, showing on your mod? Yes, yeah, put it in the push start. I'll send it off in the push start. Push start, plug it in, take it off, plug it in. Push start. We actually got tricked a little bit.
Like I say, it's absolutely packed here now at the end. Let's just walk through the crowd a bit here and see what's happening. There certainly has been some people. So yeah, there you go. There's the ash end now. The fireworks are all over, and we'll go edit it all up for you now. Ash End is a lovely pub. It says there, the Ash End. A very warm welcome. So we're probably about 10 minutes now since the fireworks finished, but still packed, so there's still a lot of people here.